For this recipe, we're using 3 pounds of bone-in chicken thighs. Season the chicken with 4 cloves of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of adobo seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 packet of sazon. Now toss until all the chicken pieces are covered in the spices. And once the chicken has been seasoned, it's time to get cooking. In a large pot over medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of either vegetable or avocado oil. To the oil, add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Once the sugar begins to burn, transfer the chicken into the pot. The burnt sugar is just to add color to the chicken. Saute the chicken in the pot for a few minutes until it gets a nice brown color. Toss the chicken frequently for a nice brown even color. Once the chicken has gotten the color that you desire, transfer to a plate. Do not try to eat the chicken as the chicken is still raw. And once the chicken has been transferred out of the pot, add in a mirepoix. The mirepoix consists of 1 large onion, 2 large carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all diced. Saute the vegetables for about 5 minutes or until the onion becomes translucent. Now deglaze the pot with 4 cups of chicken broth, followed by 4 cups of water, 2 potatoes peeled and rinsed and cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup of rice which has been rinsed under cold water to remove most of the starch, 1 chicken bouillon cube, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and 2 bay leaves. Then transfer the chicken back into the pot, juices and all. Stir the pot to get things going. Continue cooking over medium-high heat until you bring the pot to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to medium-low. Simmer and let it cook over medium-low heat for about 45 minutes. And for even cooking, make sure to stir the pot a few times throughout the cooking time. And after 45 minutes of total cooking time, your chicken and rice soup would be ready. Taste and adjust salt and pepper to your liking. I forgot to add black pepper, so this is the perfect time for a little bit of black pepper. Remove the bay leaves from the pot. Now to finish it off, add the juice of 1 full lemon, followed by a couple of tablespoons of fresh parsley. And to give it a nice kick, a little bit of sriracha sauce, which is optional. Stir one last time and serve. There you guys have it, chicken and rice soup. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, see you later, bye.